What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do a 3-month review on my Wowgo 3X. I'll bring it in. It is belt driven. It's right here. I'll show it better. Let me take it for a rip. So I've been doing my regular maintenance. It's lasted me the full, I think it was 25 miles. I know it's 25 miles per hour, but I think it was 25 miles it could go. If you kept it in the lowest setting, which would be number 1. I've been doing my regular maintenance, optioned it with the orange wheels, and so far it's been good. That's pretty much it. So let's take it for a spin. So it's pretty good, you know. We're not going too fast because, I mean, I do have it in turbo mode, but I don't have any safety gear right now. The day's looking pretty good. All the clouds. It's been really smooth. The power delivery, if you were to go scrolling, it's good. I believe it's the best budget board you could buy. I don't know what else you could get. It lasts really long. I have the belt driven version, so it's a bit faster, and the road's the only thing that I can hear. The motors are pretty quiet, but once you get going, like, and you step on it, you'll hear it. They can get pretty fast. So the specs that I didn't mention, I'm gonna put them up on the screen. So the first one was top speed was 24. The real range is 12 miles. If you go to setting 1, you can for sure do this on light throttle. But if you go all the way to turbo mode, it's gonna be less than half. Max load is 280 pounds. Board weight 17.2 pounds. Hill climb is 25 through 30%, and charging time is around 2.5 to 3 hours. The controller has a smart LCD screen display, and the board has a 9-month warranty. The rear trucks are custom made for the board itself, and you do get Continental belts, 3M belts. You also get Paris trucks and a bamboo fiberglass deck. Here I'm just going to show off the board. As you can see, it's pretty nice. Here I'm going to show the light modes. There's only 4 modes, and here's the first one. There's the second, the third, and lastly the fourth. Here are just some rolling shots. Here's also a car beating us, and this board can only go 24 miles per hour. So, as you can see, it is belt driven. Do a little roll. They gave me this light. It's a rear F1 style light. It's really nice. The button's right there. You will know when it's on when it shines red, as you can see. When it's blinking, well, it just means it isn't connected. As you can see, those are, I believe, I forgot what bearings they are, but I'll put with their name somewhere around here. You do get, let me see if I can get it.
you do get those trunks. They're really good trunks. You get their custom looking grip tape, really nice. I like this little design here, and then the Wowgo. But I'll see you back where we started. And as you saw, the board's great, it handles great. I use it in turbo because I'm used to it, and I just like the instant power delivery. It's fast for sure. It's a great budget board. I suggest getting in the holidays for the holiday deals like 4th of July or Christmas. It'd definitely be good. I haven't tried boosted. I mean, there hasn't really been a need to. Definitely expensive. But the board feels great. The vibrations, the wheel size, it's 90 by 32, I think. I'll correct myself in the editing. It's really good. You don't really feel much vibrations. As you saw, the road, it wasn't good. Like there's a bunch of holes and cracks, and the board just went over that like nothing. I don't know if it was because of my speed, but it's for sure the size of the wheel. It's good. I definitely recommend it as a daily board. It's not too expensive, and it gets the job done. And it has good quality parts on it. For sure, around, for me it'd be like 5 stars, because it was my first electric board. You know, it's fun. Can't get enough of it. Every time I go out, I usually use the whole battery. But once it dies, you can use it as a regular board, and it actually rolls farther than my regular board that I have right here. I use that sometimes, and it rolls way farther with one push rather than this one. But it's because I broke in the bearings, and also the wheels, the size of the wheels. But other than that, is gonna conclude today's video. Thank you for watching. Check some more videos out somewhere around here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Baby, pull up my Glock in this bitch. Up in this bitch, no TNT, I'm blowing this bread. I really like this mode. Yeah, for sure, girl, this shit is right in the game. Baby, this shit getting heavy, so I cannot chill with you lanes. Throw out the body, switching the lane. Pride in that line with some